I'm Alan Katz for Howdini.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a great classic margarita. Now, a margarita need not be made in the blender. In fact, one of the most refreshing cocktails is this great combination of tequila with orange liqueur, a little bit of sugar, and fresh lime juice. We're going to start with silver tequila, and in our mixing glass, add about 2 parts. And then to that, we're going to add about 1 1/3 of orange liqueur. Now in this case, we're using Grand Marnier. You could use Triple Sec or Cointreau. Of course, there are varying flavors between the three. Any of them will suffice. 1 part equals 1 ounce. And it's important to measure these ingredients out. If you have jiggers, and they're very inexpensive, they're the ideal measurement tool for cocktails. If you have a kitchen measuring glass that has ounce marks on them, you can use that as well. Now to that we'll add equal parts of simple syrup. Simple syrup is an equal combination of sugar and water, and just put it in a closed vessel and shake the two together until the sugar is completely dissolved. If you keep it in a closed, airtight container, it'll last in your refrigerator for at least a month. And so, equal parts simple syrup, and using our citrus squeezer, we're going to add about 1 part of fresh lime juice. As you can see, that's about half of a fresh lime. Now the fun part of the margarita, of course, is shaking it over ice. So we'll add it to a well-chilled tin, just tamp down so that there's a solid seal between the 2 parts. And then you're going to shake it with good vigor. Now once the cocktail is well chilled, you're just going to give 1 strong tap on the side of the mixing glass, and the 2 parts will remove with relative ease. To serve the margarita, we're going to use an old-fashioned glass or a rocks glass. And we'll fill that with fresh ice. Now some people prefer a salted rim. You absolutely can do that. And to salt the rim, before you add the ice, you're just going to take a fresh wedge of lime, take it around the rim of the glass, and then rotate it in a shallow plate of salt so that you can effectively rim the glass. We're going to strain the cocktail over ice and garnish with just a fresh lime wheel for fragrant aromatics. I'm Alan Katz for Howdini.com.